What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm back. Let's get right to it. Today I'm going to go over tremolo picking and an awesome way to use it so you want to play with it. You want to use the technique when it's a wicked technique, but if you don't know what to do, who's going to use it? I see a lot of guys overlooking the tremolo picking. Let's show you some wicked ways to cross 5 and 6 strings using it. It will definitely improve your guitar playing if that's what you're looking to do. No matter what style of music you play, clean channel, dirty channel, this is a video that's going to make you play better guitar if you can do this thing when we're done here. Let's get right to it. We're going to be doing 5 and 6 string arpeggios, 2 octaves. Let's get right to it. I'm in drop C, so anything I do on the low E string, I got to jump over 2 frets because you know how that works. Anyway, let's get right to the arpeggios because these things are stinking wicked. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the 5-string arpeggio. And the first thing we're going to do is make it the easiest we can. When we tremolo picking is simply repeating a note over and over again. Something like that. Let's just do something like, we're going to, in this case, use it in the arpeggio. So let's do a round of 8 each time. And I'm going to be using this E minor arpeggio, so let's go over the notes, because everybody's always asking where the notes are. I don't do tabs, because this is a learning channel. This is a teaching channel. I teach you how to play. I teach you how to do the things yourself, and then you got to do the work yourself, and that's how you learn. If I give you tabs, that's just showing you something. That is not teaching you. That's like giving you a fish. I teach you how to fish. Then you can pick any rod you want, any pond you want, and sell the fish when you're done. And if you want to do something more than just be shown something, then you can go to anybody else's video and get tabs off of there. But that doesn't teach you anything. It's just like learning a song. It doesn't, the tabs are good for a song. That's about it. Here, you follow the notes, you play the notes, you learn the notes. If you can't, then go to my other video where I show you how to follow the fretboard and follow the fretboard. Then get back here. So let's get right to it. We're going to use the E minor arpeggio. E on the 19th fret of A. We got E. Then I got G on 17 of D. I got a B on 16 of G. I've got an E on the 17 of B. I got a G on the 15 of E. And I got a, what do you call that, a B? Right? Yeah, of course, guys. I got a B on the what? What is that? It's 15, 17, 19. Come on, 19 of E is B. 19 of E is B. Come on, E and B, they rhyme. There's our notes. We're going to backpedal through them in the reversed order this time. From starting on this B. Now, if you can't tremolo pick, the first thing you're going to want to do is master your alternate picking. So if you're just starting out, you're going to be doing something like this. But your hand should be on the bridge and pivoting off your wrist. The other thing is we just really rub the string. My pick isn't really leaving the string. I have a video on that, so check out the video on rubbing the string. Because that's true speed when you're rubbing, not when you're coming off the string. If your pick comes off the string, you need to readjust your technique if you want to get real speed, because you'll never get it if your pick leaves the string. Can you believe my pick never leaves the string? Yes, there's a video on how to do that. Anyway, let's get right back into this arpeggio. So we're going to backpedal through. We've got a B. I've got a G. I've got an E. I got a B. I got a G. I got an E. Now, the first thing you need to do, folks, is figure how many times you want to play each one, because you got to play them all the same amount. So we're going to pick 8. So all I'm going to do is just count the 4 twice in my head. What kind of note are you using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you should be doing first. That is the first way to begin it. That's what you're learning to build. Then you can go the other way. And you can just shorten them up and do whatever you want at that point afterwards. 4s. Squeeze in a little harmonic minor there if you want. It'll be B harmonic minor though. Because that's what it'll sound like, because there is an E minor chord in B minor. So if you were in B minor and you accidentally hit this A sharp, Just pull it off like you're doing a B harmonic minor move. I mean, you're on the E minor chord, and you're going right to B. It's another easy way to squeeze out a little B harmonic minor lick while you're in the key of B minor. So you actually be pulling off a Dorian lick right to harmonic minor. That'd be pretty wicked if you did that. So anytime you hit a note you're not supposed to hit, well, just kind of look at it and see if it can theoretically work. And then in the future, you can actually hit that note on purpose. So when you hit something on accident, just check out what you did and see if it works theoretically. I mean, if you hit the A sharp, it could be considered a B flat, right? Now you got a little blues action in there. So if you hit a B flat by mistake, it all depends on how you pull it off. If you see you hit the wrong note, just whack something else out from it. So that works right there. And so basically with this arpeggio thing, all you're really doing at the end of the day is you're just tremolo picking each note. It doesn't really matter how many times you do it. Just try to keep it the same so you learn to develop some polished, smooth playing. And you just do whatever you want with it. You don't have to just straight arpeggio the thing. You can try some other shit. There's just things you can try other than the arpeggio. The tremolo thing is just supposed to, you start out with it. Maybe you put a little bend in there, you add a little flavor to this tremolo thing you're doing. And so you maybe add the tremolo picking to some other techniques. Rip through the rest of the arpeggio. Because you know you can take it right from the B and rip through it by starting on that B as an arpeggio, sweep arpeggio. So if you're tremolo picking it, when you get to the E, now you just set yourself up on the B and you begin to sweep. So now you're going from the tremolo picked arpeggio to the sweep arpeggio because the last note you're tremolo picking is the high E and the first note you're going to sweep is the B. I just showed you that. I'll do it again. See that? I stop on the B. There's the E. I set up for the B and I begin the rake. Then you just continue on after the rake with whatever you want. In this case, I just picked and bend. And you just continue to keep that thing going as long as you want. Tremolo picking is an easy thing to do, but it leads you to some other things. It opens doors. It opens paths to other pieces of music that you could be doing after the tremolo picked move. Guys, I hope you got some influence off this video, something that ideas you can work with, some things you can continue to add to your arsenal of bag of tricks. Stuff that'll just make you play better, because that's what it's all about. There's so many different ways you can be artistically creative with the guitar, and tremolo picking is one of them. I want you guys to master the tremolo picking. It's just the right hand. You can do anything with the left hand you want, but tremolo picking is here. Get that thing down. I'll see you in the next video.